Summer can be hard on our hair and scalp, which is why we recommend Care Sun Shield. This shampoo, conditioner, and oil trio not only leaves your hair feeling clarified, but adds moisture and UV protection. Sun Shield shampoo is enriched with essential minerals, provitamin B5, and the unique anti-chlorine complex. It mildly cleanses the hair, removing traces of sunscreen, chlorine, and salt water, while gently moisturizing each individual strand. Sunshield conditioner is like after-sun lotion for your hair. Enriched with shea butter, it treats and moisturizes hair that's been exposed to the sun. Last but certainly not least, this luscious hair oil spray protects tresses from harmful UV rays and forms a moisture-locking barrier around each individual strand. The Care Sunshield range breathes life back into dry, sun-damaged hair.